The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation, operational, tactical and army aviation. Missile troops and artillery of the Russian group of forces have engaged 95 Ukrainian artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 107 areas during the day. In addition, 3 US-made AN-TPQ-37 counter-battery radar stations have been neutralized close to Shandrugolovo in Donetsk People's Republic, Orekhov in Zaporozhye region, and Belozerka in Kherson region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down one Su-25 airplane of the Ukrainian Air Force in an air-to-air operation near Nikanorovka in Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense systems shot down 31 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Tokarevka in Kharkov region, Krasnorechenskoye, Chervonopopovka, Novovodinoye, Kremenная, Площанка, Voyevodovka, Rubezhnoye, Baranikovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Zelony Gay, Urozhaynoye, Blagodatnoye, Vladimirovka, Yevgenovka, Staromlinovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Ulyanovka, Pologi in Zaporozhye region, Novaya Zburyevka and Krynki in Kherson region. In addition, 3 HIMARS MLRS projectiles were intercepted. In total, 403 airplanes, 223 helicopters, 3,502 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,363 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,070 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,403 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 9,039 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 960 servicemen in a single day. In total, Kremlin lost 166,570 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,552 tanks, 6879 armored fighting vehicles as well as 305 jet fighters and 290 helicopters. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky pleased to welcome to Kyiv Prime Minister of Japan Fumio Kishida. Japan is a truly powerful defender of the international order and a longtime friend of Ukraine, Zelensky said on March 21, 2023.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!